Howdy, y'all. Do any of y'all remember the first firearm that you purchased for yourself? The first gun you saw on a shelf and said, I've got to have that. Like many people coming of age of firearms ownership in the mid 2010s, I happened to get the last hurrah of the garbage rods. The last hurrah of the Mosin Nagants being economical. This 1944 Izvest, I'm going to butcher that name, marked Russian rifle. What more could a 16-year-old want? It was $120. It came with all the bayonet and all the accoutrements, and ammunition was still like two to $4 a box. It's not special. It's heavy. It fires a very chunky, fun cartridge that we all miss the days of the spam can being ludicrously cheap. We all miss those days. God willing, the end of the Russia-Ukrainian conflict will bring about cheaper 54R. I've got ARs, AK. I've got so many other Second World War rifles. This heavy, ineloquent, clunky bit of Russian kit. It just happens to make me smile. So, all you wonderful people out there, what was your first firearm? What was the first thing you walked into a gun store and said, I have to have it? Mine, it's a standing garbage rod. The good old Mosin Nagant. What's yours?